light pollution. No more Christmas tree over there. Yeah. It was a little bit foggy when I let Rainy out a little bit ago. Now there's no fog because the drips are falling from the sky. Not bad. Just sprinkling. And about 33 or 34 degrees. It was like 36 when I got up. But I watched a couple videos, caught up with a few things, and of course had something to eat. And damn it, I made it this far. I left my coffee cup in the house. But little princess there don't have her raincoat on, so get the lights turned on over here before all the city idiots start going by and prove to them that they're always late for work. Brooke just sent a video. She should be on her way to work. Oh well. Be kind of a screwed up day today. Becky's got to go get her allergy shots. And just yeah, put them all in there. And I think Blakely has an appointment this afternoon. So Ty's got to leave early with her to go meet up with Brooke. Okay, nothing new anymore. The purple light shows red to me. Smile, you're on camera. So I mentioned something about fixing the bottom of a door a while back. Yeah. 2x2. That's an old bugger too. I can't think how old I was. Dad made me a set of stilts out of 1x2 and 2x4 cut on an angle, triangles. This was a set that I made out of some scraps. I just threw them together because I wanted to be taller. Yeah, that's more than a foot off the ground. But these were, scrap I grabbed at the time. This one's actually got, these two corners are smooth, but these two are square. That one, all four are square. So, over here I took some metal brackets and a 1x and did it. And it's still there. That tube's in worse shape than this one. And the mistake Dad made, I guess I was there doing it too, following his instructions. If we ever get to fixing these doors, I'm probably going to take a piece of 1.5 by 4 and put on the bottom, so that the tin's not down into it. Because what we did, there's a bolt there, another one, just about where that hammer is, another one at the other end. Piece of angle iron bolted on the outside. That was put on after the tin. That was put on so the tin didn't rub on the guides. Yeah, you can see how well that's worked out. Of course, put up in 82, so nothing lasts forever. Doesn't help when things bang into it. I think somebody parked the loader outside, left it up a little bit, and things settled, and we've bounced tires out of the back of a pickup or off a truck to bring in here to put on something, and they've hit. And honest, I don't remember. I really don't. I do remember that one of them's been hit in and one's been hit out. I think this one was the one hit in. And that's straighter than they were. But That's screwed down for lack of anything else. It's a wood screw. Drilling a pilot hole big enough for the screw in the board, and then a little screw just to make a pilot so that'll start. And there's 5 screws in that. It ain't gonna go nowhere. Now I gotta cut this other one to fit. Dog, you're in the way. And I'll chamfer a little hole in for that so it fits down tight. But that's what I was doing. Having fun. Dog's in the way every time I turn around. Every time I turn around. Every time I turn around. Blakely, good morning. Slobber face. She was not on that. Oh, and she just got some teething medicine. Yeah. Hi. Give me a hand. No, give me your hand. Give me your hand. I know you want me to pick you up. I can't do that when I got the camera, though. Okay. There you go. You're watching Ed and Becky's Vacuum Repair.
And this was as fast as I could get the video to speed up, but I'm not going to talk
That hose is broken right there.
But I'll just point out a couple
It's his mom's.
little things
That's mom's.
as we come to them.
So, watching a YouTube video to figure it out. Silent with a water bottle and rice, and she gets Blakely to clap. And now Blakely don't want to because she says, I'm on video.
Good job. I got it here. Good job. Yay, Blakely. Yay.
Silly butt.
Yay.
Replaced Mom's vacuum cleaner with one of these containers. Becky said like $27 for 12 of these or something. 6 quart. These are the same as the original ones we got. Dozen of them, so there's room for most of them, if not all of them. More little things to put in them. That vacuum cleaner piece, that was a pain in the ass. Wasn't really all that bad, but the way it comes apart, you end up having to take the top off. And of course, all the screws come in from the bottom. And the wand piece, that attaches with the top. It's kind of a pain to hold in place and get the top on and get the screws in. Worst thing was getting got the hose on, and it screws into the wand piece, and it screws into a piece that goes into the base. And getting that base piece lined up so the top would go back on was a royal pain in the ass. But it's done. Know how to do it when I gotta do it again. Kind of easier than I thought it might have been, but more of a pain in the ass than it should have been. And you already seen all Blakely, except for before I came back out. Ty had her up kind of walking, and she came over and she wanted to climb up, so she helped her climb up next to me. She rolled around. When she wanted down, she had that water bottle with the rice in it, and she was laying right here on me, and she dropped it. She spins her little butt around and slides off, and I just held my hand there so she didn't fall. She's been pretty good at that. She'll spin around and want to go down, and she's going about it the right way. Yeah, there's a spot down there. One of those will probably go. And I thought that the ones like that one, it's a little narrower, got the silver top. I thought they were all the same brand, but they're not. Oh well. I knew this was a brand we had, so this is what Becky ordered. And here's what they are if you're interested. My shoes won't fit in there. I don't know why they put shoes on the front. I know it says, interesting on here, it says Townsend, Massachusetts. But on the box, never know where they're from. Yeah, Davenport, Iowa. Oh well. Anyway, find some stuff to put in them, get them out of the way. I feel like walking up there, but that white spot in the middle, I can't remember what they're called, but they're little bitty white flowers. comes up and flower hangs down. There's a little group of, there's probably a dozen of them all right there blooming. And I think Friday or Saturday they're saying we might get snow, and then they're talking snow part of next week. Mother Nature's kind of messed up. So yeah, look, it's that time of day again. By the way, practice makes metering it out just about perfect. And after lunch I got tired of finding those screws, so that one door's fixed. The other one, I need a 10-inch piece of 2x2, and it'll be fixed. But I spent enough time on my knees outside putting the other screws in. I chose not to do that today. And Ty said she threw some straw out in the back barn, but she didn't do nothing in here yet. Needs to get done. Clean the outside lot there and clean the feed barn, but hoping the cows are going to get the feeders empty in the feed barn before we do that. And I'll figure out what the hell I'm doing here. Walk right past what I needed. I need a bucket. I need this bucket. Oh, and our kitty cat. I went and got garbage cans earlier. And our kitty cat that hides in that hole right there, she was just the other side of the chute and stuff out here. Out there hunting. Hope-y dope, that's not your hole. That's not your hole, Hope. She'll figure it out. Anyway, I need both ends for this. There we go. They are fed. Hope made it down there. She's not in her hole. She's one off from it, but I just need to throw the electric pile over there. Of course, she's got to eat next to the very biggest one in there. Doesn't that look funky? And the next two biggest are right here. Oh well. Anyway, we'll see what tomorrow brings. And yeah, I'm stuck feeding tonight. I didn't want to do it. She fed hay over there a little bit ago. But she's got to go in and talk to Grandma about a few things. And see if anybody decided they want to buy meat. I guess Maury even has a quarter of those two that he took in. He hadn't sold yet. It's like, what the hell is with people? I don't understand. I mean, all this, farm to table stuff, and no, nobody wants to buy it anymore. Used to be, I mean, hell, there were years we raised a dozen steers and didn't get to keep a single one. We'd end up eating some old cow. And now raise 6 steers and barely sell freaking 4 of them. I don't get it. Oh well, I need both hands again. Wally getting his dinner. A little bit of straw. The other guy's got probably a little more. Didn't you, boys? I bet, man. And these kids. She's pretty good on theirs. Yeah. Hi. How are you? Okay. One more thing to do. Besides let the dogs out. I guess Fred's the only one going to go this way. I think Rainey probably already went the other way. Oh, yeah. See, look at that. Magic. Say her name and she appears. Get to be where start watching these girls when they come in at night. And yeah, that needs to get cleaned, but like I said, they'll finish that off. And there's a good bale and a half left in there, I guess. That one's clear empty. Fred, leave him alone. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Get it far enough that I'll come through. Now if they'll just all come up and let me watch them go in. Humpback girl. She's always been that way though. See, when they come uphill, it falls off the back and splatters you. That's why I'll just stand over here. It's safer. Yeah, gee, if you count them on their way through, you know how many we don't have anymore. I mean, I don't remember being this low in numbers since I was a kid. And those two are just gonna wait. They know it'll be there later. Maybe. Oh well, I'm gonna hook the gate back. Then I gotta go find a hose to hose my shoes off. Then go see Blakely again before she goes home. I'll be nice and wait though. We just woke up from her nap. Now that she's awake, she's a little happier.
Hi.
Huh. Oh.
You tell me hi. Hi.
Say hi and give a smile.
You say,
Yeah.
hey.
That's better. Yeah, Ty's still over visit with Grandma, so she's dog's barking. Maybe that means Ty's on her way. She's usually out of here about now, so you're leaning too far, kid. You're leaning too far. Get back up here. There you go. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. And I was mistaken. I thought today was when Ty had to take her home early. It's tomorrow.
Can you say bye-bye? She's got a doctor's appointment tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Hey. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye and thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Right?
Yeah.
See everybody tomorrow. Thanks, everybody. Have a great Thursday.